We are on practice set 3.2. We have to do question number 7. So let us do question number 7 of 3.2. The question reads as the 11th term and the 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. So if I write in short, you have T11 is 16 and T21 is 29. Find the 41st term of the AP. So that means you have to find out T41. This is what you are finding out. Imagine now the first term is not given, common difference is not given. Then too you are supposed to find out. And children, we are able to do it. The method is little different, children. What you know is just the formula of Tn. So apply that. You will get some idea. So let us do it. So before that, let us say that let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Then we will apply the formula. Na? So we have let A be the first term and D be the common difference. So once you define what is A and D, then you can write the formula. So you have Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So your Tn is equal to T11 will be A, we don't know, but we know n is 11 and D also we don't know. We know the value of T11, right? It is 16. So 16 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 is 10. So 10D. Correct? So if I write systematically, A plus 10D is equal to 16. Let it be equation number 1. We have two unknowns, A and D. So one equation will not be sufficient to get the solution for A and D. So we need to have a second equation. How we can get the second equation? By this information. We have T21 also, no? So let us do it then. Again, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, T21 is equal to A plus 21 minus 1 into D. Now what is the value of T21? 29. So 29 is equal to A plus 20D. If you write systematically, A plus 20D is equal to 29. This is second equation. Now children, this is like a simultaneous equations. Right? They are simultaneous equation in two variables.
Yes, miss.
Instead of x and y, we are having A and D. So we can solve it. Now you observe here also A is there, here also A is there. So
Subtracting.
But the sign is same, so we'll do the subtraction. Now subtraction, 2 में से 1 subtract करें तो easy because here the numbers are bigger, 20 and 29. Here 10 and 16 small.
Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2.
Subtracting 1 from 2. So we'll write down second equation first and then we'll do it. Right? So let us do that. So we have A plus 20D is equal to 29 and A plus 10D is equal to 16. So we are doing the subtraction. So sign down will change. Use one line to change the signs. So once you do it, now we are going to take into consideration this part. Okay, negative sign है ना तो बीच की sign इसको भूल जाएंगे. हाथ रख देने का, no problem. So A minus A will get cancelled. 20 minus 10, it will become 10. So 10D is equal to now 29 minus 16. So what it will be? 9 में से 6 गया तो 3 and 2 में से 1 गया तो
13.
13. So we have here 13. So what will be D? D will be 13 upon 10. So our D is, it is in points, children. Now 1 point, we can't help it, whatever it is. So now we have to substitute again D in any of the equation. This is smaller equation. So in that we will put it. So substituting D is equal to 1.3 in equation 1. Children, whenever you are doing any substitution, please do write that equation and then substitute. Don't directly substitute. First you write that equation and then do it. Okay, so my equation is A plus 10D is equal to 16. So in that I am going to substitute. It is either you can write down 13 upon 10 or you can write 1.3, whatever you will convenient. Okay, now you can see this will get cancelled. So A plus 13 is equal to 16. So A is equal to 16 minus 13. So A is equal to 3 I got. But here also the sum is not ended. We have to find out T41. So once we know A and D, then we can use the formula and find out. So let us use this to find out T41. So what we will do?
Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1D.
Correct. A plus n minus 1 into D formula and then T41. Now I will substitute. A is equal to 3, n is 41 and D is 1.3 or 13 upon 10. Whatever you find convenient, you can use it. Okay, so let us have 13 upon 10. यहाँ पे भी 13 upon 10 थे तो मैं को ऐसे ही करने दो. चलो. So T41 is equal to 3 plus 40 into 13 upon 10. Right? Now this was cancelled. 10 fours are 40. So T41 is equal to 3 plus 13 fours are 52.
52.
So our T41 will be 52 plus
3. 55.
55.
T41 is equal to 55.
So we got the 41st term as 55. So let us write the answer. Answer: the 41st term of this AP is 55. Children, please see, is ka S and 5 both should be different. Some people write 5 also like this. No, 5 ke andar you should write properly this dash. Okay, upper part, that bar part. So see to the handwritings properly. Now we move on to the next sum. Now we have to do sum number
Miss 10.
10. Okay. So let us do the 10th sum. I hope everybody has completed. Let us read the 10th sum. The 17th term of an AP is 7 more than the 10th term. Find the common difference. Whatever is known to us, let us write down 17th term, then
The voice is cracking continuously.
etc. So let the first term of the AP be A and the common difference be D. So we have defined A and D. So now let us use the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You are given T17. So T17 is equal to A plus 17 minus 1 into D. So that is now T17 is given as 7 more than. So okay, so directly it is not given. So
T17 is equal to
16 into
T10 plus 7.
correct. Now the 17th term of AP is 7 more than the 10th term of 7 more than the 10th term of an AP. So what is the 10th term? Let us do that also. So T10, okay, we write down Tn first. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So that is A plus 9D. This is what is T10. So T10 is equal to A plus 9D. Correct? So now, given that 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. So we know 10th term, उसमें फिर मैं 7 ऐड कर दूंगी. करेक्ट. सो
Miss, your video is blur.
Yes, miss.
So T17 is equal to T10 plus 7, right? And that is what T10 is what? A plus 9D.
A plus 9D.
So A plus 9D plus 7. But we are given that it is A plus 16. So I'll compare this and this. 1 and 2. So therefore,
Miss,
हाँ बेटा.
Miss, your screen is blur.
Now is it okay?
Yes, Miss.
Miss, your voice is continuously cracking.
So in that case I am not helpful. अगर मेरे पास मतलब if it is from your side, then your bandwidth will be a problem. Okay, so I am helpless there because the board is there. I have to be there only. Okay, so we have here A plus 9D plus 7. A plus 9D plus 7 is equal to A plus 9D. Correct? Sorry, यहाँ पे
Miss, how?
16D. Sorry. 16.
16D will come, no, Miss?
Yes, 16D. A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. Right? So let us do All the thumbs here. So 7 is equal to A plus 16D minus A minus 9D. These two terms I have taken to the right hand side. A got cancelled. 16 minus 9 is 7. So 7 is equal to 7.
5.
So 7 upon 7 is equal to D. So 1 is equal to D. So that means what? Common difference is 1. Therefore, the common difference is 1. So with this, children, this exercise came to an end. I hope everybody has got a confidence regarding the Tn, the formula of Tn, A, D, right? Now, if anybody asks you, in the sleep also, what is the formula of Tn, you should be able to say. It is A plus n minus 1 into D. So, that much confidence you should have. The entire exercise, except this two sum, was the direct application of the formula. Here, little bit knowledge of simultaneous equation was required. Now, children, we are in position to know about the sum of the n terms of the AP. Now, what is sum of the n terms? Let us understand. Children, previously there was one teacher who used to teach to many classes. So sometimes it so happens is they assign some work to the children and then they go to the other class. Means to one class they say, okay, you say the table from 1 to 20 and then they go to the other class. So like that, once they told, just come on, you add first 100 numbers. What is that? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, like that till 100. So the teacher wanted to keep the class busy in doing this addition and then move to the next class. When he just take a round and came back, one child was just sitting. Then he was surprised. Why you are not doing the sum? I asked you to do sum from 1 to 100. So why you are not doing? The child said, I am done with my work. The teacher was quite surprised. How come you can do the addition from 1 to 100 so fast? And the child gave beautiful answer. So let us see the way the child has answered, and with that we will be going towards the formula of Sn. So the child told, you have to do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till 100. Correct? So this is my increasing order. If I just write the same thing in a decreasing order, it will be 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus 97 and so on till 1. This is single time addition. This is 2 times. So this is an increasing type addition, this is decreasing type addition. So just observe what is the addition of this one. Not doing single time addition, I am doing 2 times addition and then I will divide by 2 to get a total addition. So what is the total of this? 101. What is the total of this? 101. What is the total of this? 101. So how many times 101 will occur? कितने हैं numbers? 100 है?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
तो क्या होगा? 101, 101, 101. 100 times आएगा. Can you tell me the product of this? 101 multiply by 100. Orally होगा तो 2 0 लगा दो, है ना? करेक्ट? लेकिन ये क्या हुआ? 2 बार एडिशन हुआ. 1 to 100 हुआ, वापस 1 to 100 हुआ ना, 2 बार हुआ. तो एक बार करना होगा तो divide by 2. So the answer will be 5050.
5050.
Right? So 5050 is the answer of this. And child shown this calculation. The teacher was quite happy in saying this. This was a real story, took place in Germany. Okay, where it was really a single teacher school. Okay, and the name of the child is Carl Gauss. Carl Gauss was the name of the child, and then he was really thought that this child is having extra intelligence, and that child actually came from such a family where the parents were not educated at all. But then the teacher has helped the child, and soon he became a great mathematician. He published the book on the algebra, which made help to the other people also. So we must salute to Carl Gauss for such a intelligence at school level. Children where only one teacher was there, that type of school. यहाँ पे तो हर सब्जेक्ट के सब्जेक्ट टीचर्स हैं, फिर भी हमारा रिजल्ट कितना बेकार आता है. And see this. So children, in this manner, this gives an idea that we are able to do the sum of the n terms, where some common differences there. 1, 2, 3, 4 common differences of 1. Right? So we have such terms. We know the first term, we know the common difference. So for the AP also, we are supposed to have in a similar manner. So in this, children, you have the arithmetic progression, how it is. A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D. A plus 2D is third term. How is the nth term? Nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? And suppose you wanted to do sum of this as n term, let me denote it with Sn. So how will you do Sn? Sn will be A plus D plus A plus 2D and so on, plus A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? वैसे ही जैसे उसने किया था ना, वैसे ही मैं उल्टा करूँगी. हाँ, राइटिंग डिक्रीजिंग, ये इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, तो डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में कैसे लिखोगे? सेम ऐसे आई कैन राइट एन A plus n minus 1 into D. Last term will come first. Okay, plus A plus n minus 2 into D plus dot 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 लास्ट में. समझ में आया? जैसे कि 1 to 100 है तो 100 to 1 किया था ना, सेम वे. So what will be 2Sn? 2 times Sn. इन दोनों का एडिशन करो. A plus A 2A plus n minus 1D. And how many times? कितनी टर्म है बेटा यहाँ पे? n term we are taking into consideration ना. So this is n times. Correct ना? So you do n. So you can just write down n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what will be Sn? Sn will be n upon 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So children, here we got the formula for Sn. ये हमको कार्ल गॉस ने ही दिया है फॉर्मूला, वही इसके हिसाब से लिखा है. So what is Sn? Sn is n upon 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? Followed this? अच्छा बच्चा,
Please can you explain again?
अब मैं वही एग्जाम्पल लेके एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. सी व्हाट वाज इज 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3 प्लस डॉट 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 प्लस 100. अभी इसको उल्टा लिखेंगे तो कैसे आएगा? 100 प्लस 99 प्लस 98 प्लस 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 1. तो वैसे ही लिखा है a प्लस डी प्लस a प्लस 2d अप टू एस टी एन. टी एन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? a plus n minus 1 into d. ठीक है, गॉट इट दिस मच. अभी उल्टा लिखोगे तो कैसे आएगा 199. तो मैं ये फर्स्ट लिखूंगी a इंटू एन माइनस वन इंटू डी. फिर इसका प्रीवियस टर्म क्या था a माइनस एन माइनस वन, 2 इंटू डी, फिर n माइनस 3 इंटू डी, ऐसे करके लास्ट में a आएगा. राइट, ये तो समझा.
But miss n minus 2d, how it came?
अरे बच्चा, ये nth टर्म है ना. यहाँ
Yes miss, nth term.
सी यहाँ पे 2 था, यहाँ पे क्या आया बेटा 1 आया.
1. Yes miss.
हाँ, यहाँ पे देखिए a प्लस 3d है, तो इससे ये जो a तो a ही रहता है, सिर्फ d के साथ में मल्टीप्लिकेशन में यहाँ पे 3 था, तो यहाँ पे 2 हुआ. क्या हो रहा है, एक कम हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे n माइनस 1 है, तो उसको एक कम कर क्या आएगा n माइनस 2
2d.
बेटा.
n minus.
गॉट इट. उससे प्रीवियस
Yes, miss.
कैसे आएगी n माइनस 3 ऐसे. नाउ गॉट.
Yes miss.
So now the rest of the things is easy. The proof is not going to be asked in the exam. What is expected that you should know the formula. But children, always you should have an urge. ये आया तो आया कैसे, मैं इसको क्यों बिलीव करूँ. मैं ऐसे ही फॉर्मूला दे दी ना तो कोई मतलब नहीं, आधे लोग भूल जाते थे. लेकिन अगर मैंने ये एक्सप्लेन किया है और कोई ये एग्जाम्पल इसका याद है तो आप अगर भूल भी गए तो आप डिराइव कर सकते हो. ओके, क्या करना है, इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, एडिशन कम्स, डिवाइड बाय 2 ओवर. So this is a simple way to remember the proof also, if you wanted to remember. Now I am deriving one more formula. Just observe children. Fantastic way. Now children, this a, 2a, I can write down as a plus a, apple plus apple, 2 apple. बाकी सब ऐसे ही लिखती हूँ, no problem. Now children, is this part known to you? A plus n minus 1 into d. What
A
is
plus
this?
Tn.
Yes. So n upon 2 Tn. Children, instead of 1 a, can I write down as T1? What is the first term?
Yes. A is equal to D1.
Correct. So a is equal to T1 and this is the last term. तो देखो एक नया फॉर्मूला मैंने बनाया. ये मैंने नहीं है, मतलब इट इज देयर. तो आप लोग भी ऐसे बना सकते हो. मतलब क्या, फर्स्ट टर्म की वैल्यू और लास्ट टर्म की वैल्यू ऐड करने की. ठीक है, दैट यू आर टू ऐड एंड वट एवर नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आर देयर. सपोज यू आर टेकिंग फर्स्ट 100 टर्म्स, सो 100 डिवाइड बाई 2 50. चेक करें उसके अंदर. हाँ, 1 to 100 है. सपोज 1 to 100 का हम लोग को टोटल करना है. जैसे कार्ल गॉस ने किया, देखो ये नया वे. So it is 100 upon 2. As 100 we are searching ना. What is the first term? 1. What is the last term? 100 थी ना. 1 से लेके 100 को ऐड करने को बोला था ना.
Yes miss. 1 plus 100.
Yeah. So 100 divided by 2 is 50. So 50 and multiply by 1 plus 101. 100 is 101. So what is 101 multiply by 50?
550.
Correct? 5050. So we got. So don't forget Carl Gauss and you will be able to get your answer. So children, in a way we got two formula. First is this formula, Sn is equal to 2a n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and another formula is n upon 2 in the bracket T1 plus Tn, first term plus last term. So as per the sum, whichever formula is applicable, we will be using it. ठीक है, please write down these two formulae in your notebook. The boxed one. Write down this formula because now we are going to use it. We are going to apply it. So let us go to practice set 3.3. First question. The first term and the common difference of AP is 6 and 3 respectively. So you got A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 3. You have to find out S27. Okay. So let us do it. First of all, write down the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So that 27 will be 27 upon 2 in the bracket. Now 2 into 6. Directly I can write down 12. If you want, you can write down 2 into 6 plus 27 minus 1 into d. So you will be having 27 upon 2, 12 plus 26 into d. So you have 27 upon 2 a common difference, 3 given na, so 3 write down into 3. So plus 26 3s are, just do it, 6 3s are 18, carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Correct? Multiply, multiply. Got it? All the steps. Now you can do the cancellation, children. Divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. And here.
But miss, it was plus 26 into 3, no?
हाँ. अच्छा, sorry, I forgot to add 12. Sorry. I forgot to add 12. 27 upon 2. Thanks for correcting me. Sorry. 27 upon 2. 12 plus 78. Yes. So 27 upon 2. It comes out to be 90. So it will be cancellation. It will be 45. So 27 into 45 you are going to do. Correct, you are. So multiply 27 into 45 and give me the answer. One two 1 5.
1 2 5.
Yes. 1 2 1 5. So here we got an Sn. What is the answer? Answer Sn is equal to 1215. Got it? So children, if the sum is asked in the form of activity, means the boxes are there, then you are going to just fill up the boxes correctly and that all will be marked. Okay, so boxes will be somewhere here. 6 2s are, so directly you write down 12 here and make a box here. 3 you make a box. 27 multiply by 90 you make a box, and here final answer you make a box. In between steps it will not show, that's fine. We are doing it systematically as it is a first sum. So I didn't go as per the activity, as we did all the steps. Okay?
So if we talk in a simple way, what is the this is the product of, this is the sum of which two numbers?
This is product of this. How you are going to get? एक इसका addition में बताऊँ? First term is 6. 6 के बाद में common difference 3 का है, तो 6 के बाद में 3 ऐड करोगे तो 9, फिर उसके अंदर बाद में 12, then 15. ऐसे करके तुम जब 27 टर्म ऐड करोगे ना बेटा, तो उसका एडिशन मतलब 6 प्लस 9 प्लस 12 plus 15, like that 27 terms. Times nahi hai, terms. Then you will get an answer of 1215. Got it? समझ में आया इसका मीनिंग?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Got it. Thank you, miss.
And you are having the common difference as 3.
Yes, miss. Thank you, miss.
Yeah. Let us do the second sum. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Now the word says even natural numbers. So when word even comes, what does it indicates? First number कौन सा होगा? 2, फिर 4, फिर 6, ऐसे करके कितने टर्म्स है? Even natural terms. Sum of the first 123 even natural numbers.
123.
So Tn, the T 123 तक करने का है, right? So our nth term will be 2n, है ना? Correct? And what will be, so you have the first a as 2 and you have a common difference as 4 minus 2, that is also 2. So first term is 2 and common difference is also 2. And you have n equal to 123. So that is what you are supposed to find out. So Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S 123, हम लोग को 123 टका करने का है. So what it will be? 123 upon 2. Then in the bracket 2 into 2. ये हो गया first. 2 into 2. Now plus 123 minus 1 into the common difference is 2. Correct? So substitute properly and do the calculation. Definitely you will get the answer. So as 123 is equal to 123 upon 2. Now 2 2s are 4 plus 122 minus 1 is 123 minus 1 is 122. And then you have to do the multiplication of that by 2. So 123 upon 2, 4 plus 244. 4 add करते हैं तो you will be having 248. Correct? So now do the cancellation. 1 2 4 सबका आधा. So it is 123 multiplied by 124. So whatever is the answer, that will be the answer of first 123 even terms. So just do and tell me. So you write the final answer. The sum of the first 123 even natural numbers is, anybody got the answer? I think it is 152.
15,252.
Yes, 15252. So just it's an application of the formula. When you apply, children, always observe that you are doing all the things properly. This bracket properly.